Good morning, Coach Mai. I hope all is well. I'm here sa rooftop nagpapaaraw. Magsisimula pa lang kami sunbathing tsaka exercise ng aking Kathmandu. This is Kika. Hi, Kika. Say hi. Kika. Hi. Hi. Say hi. Yan. Papahinga pa yan. Coach Mai, alam mo, I love to join. Kailangan checking my my budget for the month, and then after finishing our topic for today, I know yung training is an investment, and I love to attend. Nag-message na rin po sa akin si Coach Elvin, and actually I told him medyo I'll attend the next session definitely. I told him na yung 2 projects na I inform you, nasabi ko na rin sa kanya na nagkaroon na ng challenge kasi minove ko na yung medyo matagal yung Lola sa correctional outreach. Ginawa ko na siyang end of April para have ample time to raise funds. I told him na I'll be raising funds for 315 comprises of 306 Lolas, inmates, and 9 jail guards. So I wanna be able to bless them and also feed them at the same time. And I'll be bringing 50 volunteers. I hope you could come. So yun yung aking challenge na sabi ko kay Coach na I need to focus muna at the same for now. And yung first challenge ko would be the outreach for my family. Diba, I mentioned since hindi ako nakapag-celebrate ng birthday last February, I wanna celebrate this my birthday para siyang ginawa ko na siya sa nagpabook na ako sa Max. It's good for 30 people. Pero alam mo naman, we need an investment, we need money for that. So dito ang venue would be Max and Eastwood. So since just walking distance from our church, CCF Eastwood, I'll be inviting my family, relatives, basically relatives kasi family ko nasa abroad na mostly. So nagpa-reserve na ako last Sunday. Ginawa ko siya ng sinabay ko na Resurrection Sunday. Alam mo naman, di ba? We have to take opportunity, take advantage of the season, what we are in right now. So it's a post-birthday celebration and Thanksgiving. So plus Resurrection Sunday. So it will be held in Max sa end of the month. It will be last Sunday of the month. So please pray for me na maayos po ito lahat and mag-glorify si Lord. So it's a project na actually wala pa talaga ako nagagawa, Miss Mai. Nako, I'm still starting raising funds, so hindi pa ako masyado nag-i-inform ng mga tao. Ilan pa lang sila Coach. Praise God, you know, may mga nag-i-invest na po, and marami pa akong kailangan kausapin tsaka gawin, Coach Mai. So I hope you understand. I'll definitely attend the next session, and I'll inform you. Makikita ko naman, malalaman ko naman sayang lang dito ako makaka-attend this month kasi nga budget challenge. So I have to sabi nga kanina, I have to increase income. Cash flow, yung cash flow quadro, I'll be waiting for that. Nako, excited na ako. I attended this session siguro many years ago. I think more than 10 years ago pa, kaya nakakalimutan ko na tong Rich Dad Poor Dad. So I hope we could actually play the game board na kung meron po kayo, kasi medyo mahal po yun. Dati no sa Greenbelt meron silang session. So may isang restaurant doon, they opened it. Merong isang nagpa-facilitate, good per person 200 pesos kasama na yung food. So magpe-play na tayo ng cash flow game board, para I forgot kung tama ma, correct me if I'm wrong. Cash flow game board. I hope we could do that for our meeting of the minds. I don't know paano gagawin yan, pero paki-add na lang sa ating itinerary. Looking forward of our mini meeting of the minds. So kayo na pong bahala mag-set ng venue. I'm just here gonna attend wherever and what time. So kung mawa ulit yun, I hope let's do it earlier para we could accomplish more. So kasi alam mo naman, malayo ka, malayo rin ako. And then from that place going to my place, it will take me 3 to 4 hours pag inabutan na po tayo ng traffic. So ayun lang po, Coach Mai. I hope all is well and God bless you. And I believe God would use you mightily to advance His kingdom and also be a blessing to other people starting today. Okay? God bless. Say hi, Kika. Kika, say hi. Kiki. Hi, say goodbye-bye na. Hi, Kiki. Say goodbye. Ay, nako. She's so serious. Mag-exercise pa kami. Alam mo naman, vitamin D in the morning. Magpapaaraw, magpapapawis. Magsa-sunbathing kami ni Kiki. Hi, Kiki. God bless you, Miss Mai. Yeah, tama, Miss Mai. God bless. Bye.